If Slack is showing a server error, don't panic. This usually means it's a temporary connection issue, a network problem, or something in your browser that needs a quick reset. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Slack working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, try refreshing the page and waiting a moment before trying again. A lot of server errors are temporary, so simply reloading Slack or coming back later can fix the issue right away. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable and fast enough. If your internet looks slow or unstable, that could be the reason Slack is failing to load properly. After that, try switching networks. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi connection. This helps you find out whether the issue is tied to your current network. Another common cause is a VPN or proxy. If you're using one, turn it off and then reload Slack. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Slack's server connection and cause errors like this. If the problem still continues, clear your browser cache. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cached images and files, then restart your browser and try Slack again. In many cases, that's enough to remove corrupted browser data and fix the server error. Once you've gone through these steps, Slack should be much more likely to load correctly. If the error is still happening after that, it may just be a temporary issue on Slack's side. So waiting a little longer and trying again later can also help. If this video helped you fix the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.